My name is Robert Weber, and I just wanted to do a really quick quiz review for you today. And I chose on attempt 2, question 16, and that question is, when running a terms and connectors search on Westlaw, what is the difference between +S and /S? And if we look at the answers that we can choose from, the first one being the /S finds two terms within a single sentence, whereas the +S finds those terms within consecutive sentences. The second answer that we could choose from here is the /S connector finds two terms within the same sequence, whereas the +S connector finds two terms within successive sequences. The third answer that we could select from here, which is actually highlighted, the /S connector finds two terms in any order within the same sentence, whereas the +S connector only retrieves results in one term comes before the other within the same sentence. And the last answer that we could select from here is the /S finds two terms within one space of each other, whereas the +S finds terms within more than one space of each other. And if we actually go to Westlaw, I can connectors, and I like this question actually because it challenged me a little bit in finding the connectors. And basically what you want to do once you get to Westlaw is you search option here just next to the search bar and click on that. That brings up our connectors and expanders. And we see here the /S, it will find terms in the same sentence. And we go down a little bit with the +S proceeding within sentence. I'm assuming they mean proceeding within the same sentence from the way they have it set up here. So we actually go back to the answers that we have to choose from. The /S finds two terms within a single sentence, whereas the +S finds those terms within consecutive sentences. So the +S finds terms within the same sentence from what we saw, and this says consecutive sentences. So of course that would not be the answer that we would want to select from. The /S connector finds two terms within the same sequence, whereas the +S connector finds two terms within successive sequences. And I don't believe either one said neither one says sequence. It says specifically sentence. So option 2 would not be the correct answer for this question. Option 3 here, which I have highlighted, the /S connector finds two terms in any order within the same sentence, whereas the +S connector only retrieves results in which one term comes before the other within the same sentence. And that actually closely resembles or kind of corresponds with what we see here, where the /S is in the same sentence and the +S proceeding within, it appears in the same sentence would be, but there's not enough room, I guess, or they just didn't add that there. So the last answer that we could choose was the /S finds two terms within one space of each other, whereas the +S finds terms within more than one space of each other. If we remember our Boolean connectors, we would want to use the /n, which would put, what a number, and it would find a term within, uh, let's say 3. If we put /3, it would find a specific term within 3 words of, our root word or our initial word that we were looking for within 3 terms would be another connecting word, right? So if we go back to the quiz, this last answer would not be the correct answer based on the terms and the Boolean connectors that you would need to use to find something within a specific n term of each other. So the third answer I selected for my quiz, and I did get it right. So the correct answer would be the //s connector finds 2 terms in any order within the same sentence, whereas the +s connector only retrieves results in which one term comes before the other within the same sentence. So that would be the correct answer for this particular quiz question. And I hope, as always, my quiz review made some sense to everybody. And thank you for listening.